My biggest little supporter.
Let's go show me your glizzies.
Show me your glizzies. There they are. Show me your glizzies. Do you see my glizzy? Big glizzies. Oh, that was so good. Birdie on one.
Danker.
Hole 2, 227 yards. She wanted to come up here and see. Now she's walking back to the cart. Running back to the cart. Grittying back to the cart. Let's do it. Birdie the first, see if we can do it here.
Not bad. It did. If you don't quit telling me what to do, you can take your own videos. But if you're gonna keep telling me what to do, and that's why you missed, because you want to boss people around.
Keep bragging.
Yeah, that's why you missed. Look at that.
Right at it. That might be good. God, that's so slow. Right line, so slow. That's fucking piped, cuz. All about the glizzy.
Oh yeah, brother. Oh, that was a good one. I'm calling the police. Go get the sand and put it in the hole.
Put it in the hole.
Into the pen.
What we gonna do with the sand? Put it in the hole. Right, okay.
We are going. Oh my God. Oh my mom, you just missed.
Bad thing about these punch screens. What?
You missed it just by the length of the little worm.
I know.
What is it? Deceased.
The old good towel comes in clutch, don't it? God is near.
All the time.
And all the time?
God is near.